Hello, hello, hello. All right, I am not talking at all, but I am getting everything in order right now for the stream since it's been a while since I've done this. Get my chats up. For the one person that might pop in either stream. Okay. All right. I think we're good. What is iteration time? Guess we're doing that right now, improving APIs. Right, got an hour in me. Dang, it's 5. All right. I guess after all that, my name's Kyle. I'm streaming some, hopefully, game development. The thing that's making it a hopefully is I need to fix some engine issues. I'm doing a break everything to fix an issue, like a code base wide issue type of thing right now. So we're just gonna keep breaking stuff and fixing it and breaking it and fixing it. Okay. This is small. Let's just start from the beginning. Close everything. Nice little thing to do, I think. So my mind is not as cluttered as usual. Okay. I think we're good. Let's run it. It's not even gonna work. We're gonna figure out why. Okay, so we have some function or method errors. Got the wrong mouse out. Method errors for our text box. That is font path, font size. It's either font size. Wait. I think it is. Um. Am I missing something? These are so hard to read. Okay, so seed text, nothing for font path, 40 for font size, vector 2, seed 16, false, false. What about that is wrong? Hmm. I don't see what's wrong here. Hmm? I didn't see that. Xbox UI element.name font path. What is it? No. Is that really what? That doesn't make any sense. I didn't change anything here. It does say. What? What? I gotta open my window. I'm friggin' sweating. Always forget I have a fan. Should definitely position the desk somehow to be under it, but today, oh, feels better. Okay. All right, I'm gonna run this again. I just don't believe this. Let's see what's going on here. Name. It's this. I know it. I'm gonna be so mad. I'm close. I'm losing it right now. I literally changed one thing. This is like perfect, man. Why would you pass the stuff that's already freaking? Wait, no. Look at the wrong thing. Yeah, should resolve it. We'll see. Brother. Wait, is this right? What? Oh my gosh, I'm in the wrong product. Jesus. See what happens. Let's see how it breaks the same exact freaking way. Oh, look at that. There it is. Oh wait, is that new air? My gosh. I'm an idiot. Okay. Is that the only one? Okay. Okay, I got it. It was n tuple, not a tuple. So now my text should work? Or at least get further? Or not? Int 32. Where is the int 32? Oh my god. Forgot the field up here needs to be updated too. Wait, no, this needs to be. Okay, I got it. Losing steam on this. This is annoying and boring. And I'm not doing the right things. Buddy, how do I keep ending back up here? I see why, because I don't want to freaking keep doing this. This was a bad idea. Could have just left it. Oh, I forgot. Layer's not even in use in here. Getting so close. Look at us. Try this. Yeah. This is so fun. Okay, let's forget the test stuff right now. What's up, Effie Ivan? Sorry, I don't know if you're still here. I am, right now I'm working on a game, but I'm working on making an engine and, having a lot of problems with it. Well, not problems, but trying to fix some things, and then through trying to fix things, having a lot of problems. So, creating my own problems, honestly. Ooh, I don't like that. What's the game about? It's a 2D roguelike, and it's a match 3 game. So if I can get it working, I don't know if I fixed the build, but I think I broke it. Oops. Let me see if I can get this fixed. Well, hopefully I just got it fixed, but yeah, I have a Git, not for the game, but I do have a GitHub page. Well, not a public repo for the game. I have a repo, but it's private. I have a repo for the game engine I'm working on. So this is it. 138 stars on it. But there's a few games I've made, small games I've made with it, which I'm gonna try to go and remake because this game was 2 years ago, I think I made it, and this game was like a year and a half ago. Um, and I need to update documentation and all that stuff, but I'm working on like a new version of it. So when I'm done with the new version of it, then I will then I'm gonna go through and update all these and get some screenshots of my actual game in there. I can show you. I should probably record gameplay more because it's something I'm putting on Steam. Let's see if that fixed it. Oh, you follow my GitHub? Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Man, this is. I thought I reverted this, but I guess I did not. Let me see. Build ID A4. Oh, yeah, I did not. Revert it. You said I only made 2 repositories in GitHub. One of them is ethical, other not so much. Eh, sometimes it be like that. Uh, hmm. Yeah, I should probably learn how to revert a build. Huh. So I've never tried, never heard of Julia before. Yeah, it's not really a game, or yeah, it's not really a programming language made for games, but I'm forcing that myself. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna, I guess I'll pull up the last gameplay video I took, which is a bit ago. Man, yeah, I definitely have to record this more. Hopefully I stream it some. But the game is it's a match 3 roguelike. So there's pieces on the board. You match them, and then your matches kind of like build up, and then you can use them for attacks, defense, and stuff like that. Um, and I don't know a lot of languages, but not that one. Yeah, it's like kind of like Python in terms of like syntax. So it's like pretty easy to read generally. And then but then it's like it's a lot faster than Python, especially if you write the code correctly, which I don't necessarily do, but it's pretty easy to, or relatively easy to fix that. Why do I have a separate alpha? Hmm. Let's eliminate that. You said I know C++, C, HTML, JS, CSS, JS, Python, a bit of C Sharp, and Rust. Oh, nice. Do you create games or anything like that? Or Why did it jump there? We don't need alpha as a separate thing. You said not really. I make software and start libraries. I made my first library today for rendering. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's fun. Is it three for 3D? Oops. Yeah, let's clean this up. Might as well go in here and do that. Good, I made it for 3D and 2D, but I only tested 2D. Yeah, that's. I mean, you're further than me in terms of 3D. This engine basically has no 3D functionality, so. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, why would we do that? Okay. Alright, we'll remove that, make things a little bit cleaner. You said it's based on C++ and C. Nice. Have you haven't made anything with it yet? Are you planning on making a game with them? Alright, it's been alright, I guess let's go through all these int 32s and see. Okay, let's do a stuff fill color. What is fill color? Alpha is fill color 4. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna get rid of alpha here too. Said I tried making games, it's not really my cup of tea. I'd rather stick to software and libraries. Okay, that's fair. What are you gonna are you just creating a library and you're not gonna make anything with it at all? Oops. We'll do that. Oh. Where the border color of what? Border color of 4. Oh, we did that already. I made an example for the repository, but nothing else for now. It's bare bones right now since I released it like 15 minutes ago with proper math logic with C. Nice. Oh, wait. I'm an idiot. I have it right here. Yeah, so we got a little game here. Got some release notes. That's what I added yesterday was release notes. And these basically just get auto-generated based on like my Git commits. Added some settings which are kind of janky right now, but it is what it is. It's all the text and stuff is placeholder. So then we have this little map and all this placeholder. I have an artist working on art. Then you basically right now it's not super obvious, but it's top left to right and down. that's your path. It's very linear right now, but we want to work on like a branching style thing, like Slay the Spire. And then you get in here, and then we can go and move our things around. We have treasures, which is like something you'd recognize in like if you play roguelikes or anything like that. Kind of like relics. Um, and then got a reroll button, reroll things. We can drag things onto the screen. Why's that going so slow? Just because I'm streaming. Gotta be because I'm streaming. Then you like do damage to the enemy, whatever. Right now it's pretty bare bones. And then there's like little events that can do little like all that stuff is bare bones right now. We have a shop. It just blocked out right now. This is like I'm working on a block out for like the new shop. But if I don't, this is the normal one. It's just like a yes or no. You want to buy some stuff? I think we're going to turn that into an event. And then that's pretty much it right now. There's like, more battles and stuff. But that's it. Tomorrow, hopefully I get a good amount of stuff done because right now I'm just working on engine stuff. Oh, you sent a link. Yeah, sure, I'll check this out. It looks like you got some drawing functions in there and stuff. Cool. You said it looks nice in my opinion. Thank you, I appreciate it. Yeah, if it was up to me or not up to me, if it was my doing, it would not look nice because I am not an artist. Okay, got rid of that. Oops. And bro, why do we have alpha as a separate thing? My boy Claude is not cooking on this one. Okay. We will just do that for now. Oh, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Yeah, I don't have stream alerts or anything like that. This is like my first time streaming in like 2 months, I think. Oops. Why did this not change? And oh my gosh, I'm gonna have so many errors. It's worth it. It's worth it. I keep telling myself it's worth it. Should have never done this in the first place. And just the N32s because I thought make it easier, but it actually makes it harder for me. Hey, AG, bro. I don't know if you're still here. I'm just seeing that. What I have so far. I just showed it, but I can't show the dev stuff right now because I've completely broken everything for the moment. Um, but I do have some stuff. Let's start menu. I just worked on release notes yesterday. Um, Settings. Uh, we can play. Then we have a map. In that map, there's a bunch of random events. Well, not completely random, but always start with an enemy, end with a boss and a rest. Kind of like Sweat is Fire. So I'm still here, trying not leaking anything important. Yeah, there's right now there's not enough to really like leak. But yeah, and then the main chunk of it is the battle system. So that's the match 3 game, and then kind of your matches are your actions, and they let you like do things like attack, defend, heal, evade, stuff like that. And then you have like treasures, what we're calling what relics, or like traditionally relics in other games. Yeah, and there's like a reroll mechanic. There's this drag mechanic. There we go, drag mechanic. We can boom. We're in a pinch that costs a turn. Reroll costs a turn. Stuff like that. So that's where we're at. Then there's events. So go debug. There's events. This is a random one. Upgrade your defense. Boom. said art looks very nice. Thank you. Yeah, that's shout out to my artist, because it's not me. The stuff that doesn't look good is mine. Like this, these, I mean, these buttons are just like, some I found online, and then obviously everything's just text and shapes and stuff right now. But when you get into you get into here, and we see his art, it's pretty good stuff here. Let me go to the regular shop. You can see that better. It's our little shopkeeper. We got some. Yeah, I have some art that's not ready to show yet for it, for like the whole shop. This is just like, I just threw this in here with this concept. So yeah, it's coming along. I'm just working on it pretty much every day now. We are going to put it on Steam. That's the goal. So a lot of stuff that I never thought of or didn't have to think of before that I'm working on. Makes things easier for me and makes things consistent. Like testing, I gotta have manual automated tests and stuff to keep up the grind. Thank you. Yeah, it is a grind, but I do really I do really like it. So as component alpha. Still does. And then depending on how that goes, we are looking to get it on mobile. So if it's mobile, that'll be different. I'm not sure exactly how. It might just be like a free to play where it's ad supported, and then you can pay to get rid of ads or something like that. But we got to have if we don't have a successful Steam release, then I don't think we'll pursue that. And then when we do that, I'll port it. I'll port it to Unity. Oh man. Oh man. It's never ending. Actually, we were almost done. Wait, it says 168 results? What are you talking about? Update rate value. Okay, that's fine. I can leave that for now. You said I love game dev, but I can never find the time. Do you have any tips? I don't think there's like a magic pill for it. I think that's what a lot of people want. It's not. I don't think it's about finding the time, unless you're just like absolutely slammed. Like I think everybody has time. Oh, not everybody. I don't say everybody, but most people have time. It's just like the startup mental load of starting up. I dealt with that for years. Of like, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that, I have a million things I want to do, and then not actually doing anything. I've learned to be better about it, especially when that is not right. Okay, let me see. Especially when I started creating this game engine. So the game engine actually taught me like how to. I think if you figure out how to break things up into small chunks, and like that really doesn't come easy. Like it's easy. That sounds easy, but it's not. It really isn't, because to have things broken down into such a granular thing of like something like a task might only take me 5 minutes to do, but that task comes from a roadmap in my mind of I won't be so abstract. I'll say that comes from like me working on something. Let's say I'm working on, and so in this game, right? Let's say I'm working on the start menu, right? Start menu seems easy, right? It seems like it's very simple. You have a couple things in there, right? Uh, but I need to be able to change my graphic settings, right? And with something like Unity, it's very simple. I'm making my own engine, so I need to. You found my YouTube, cool. Stop, Ivan. Um, so I need to change my graphic settings, right? Okay, so graphic settings, that's very vague, right? What is a graphic setting, right? Graphic setting could be resolution, it could be VSync, it could be frame rate, it could be like actual screens, like screen size, stuff like that. Um, then let's break that down, right? Then I pick one of those things, right? Like I want to be able to like to dynamically change the screen size. I think I have it in this build, right? Um, then I need to basically take that high level thing of like, oh, I want to make a game, down to, oh, I want to make a start menu, down to, I want to make a settings menu, down to, I want to make a graphics menu, and then down to, I want to change the resolution, right? If you can't come up with some idea um, or what you want to do, then it makes it really hard to do something that small. So if you can get to if you can get to a point where you've created something that is that you're able to do that, then it makes it a lot easier, because if it's like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock at night, you get off of work or whatever, and you only have an hour or two, right, like that, right? I can knock that. I know I can knock that out in an hour. Like if in my mind it's like, oh, I gotta create a whole start menu with settings, I gotta be able to quit, I gotta be able to play the game, make sure I'm managing proper state, I gotta do a million things, then my mind is gonna be like, I'm gonna sit at my desk and then not get anything done for 30 minutes. I'm gonna overthink everything. But if I already take the time to break that down, and obviously, like if you're just getting started, it's not that simple. Like you should be looking at tutorials and stuff like that. If you've never coded before, I'm not sure. Um, but if you have coded before, then tutorials are so great if you haven't done game dev. But the beginning part is a slog. But once you get a bearing, then it becomes easier. But there's just like, you just got to make the time. You said what version of Linux is that? This is Fedora. Um, so I've used Linux throughout the years, on and off, and every time I use it, it's just been not a great experience, honestly. Like I just can't get with the people who say, oh, it's so easy. It's not. I mean, computers aren't easy, but Windows is much easier to use, just for any general person. But I'm not a big fan of Windows, especially just like how much it just, they're like basically spying on you. Like I don't really care about that much, but it's like, okay, like when you're doing that, you are actively using my PC's resources. That's what I'm more worried about. Like I'm getting tired of that. And then also, like I like working on this stuff, and it's just sometimes it's just easier in Linux, in my opinion. I think I oh, you dual boot Arch and Windows, nice. Yeah, I dual boot Windows, but like I think I've booted it up. The only time I booted up, like maybe I could count on my two hands in the past, like it's probably been like 6 months now, at least 6 months since I switched, and I was very, very surprised because I'm very apprehensive, because I've switched many, like probably like 10 times over the years, and then like a month later I'm back. But this time I actually really like Fedora. And then anytime I use Windows, it's because I want to play a game that I can't play on Linux. So I have a laptop with Kali Linux, nice. I have Windows. I have a couple Windows laptops. One that I basically use as a desktop in another room, and then one that's I got specifically to work on this game, to test it like as a business expense, and then I have a MacBook, like a MacBook Air. I really like it. It's like the battery life on it's great and stuff like that, and I can work on this. This is not super tough on my my resources, so it's very easy to run. Taking a shot in the dark here. For I think that's the syntax. And then we're just gonna boom. Okay, we'll go back to int 32 scavenger hunt. Oh, that is not what I want to do. And then I did this. There we go. Let's get rid of this file. That has 119 of those. That's where they were all at. Let me get rid of these test files. No manager. Okay, there we go. Okay, we need that for the frame rate. You said my main job is pen testing. Oh, nice. I only do programming as a hobby. Nice. Yeah, my main job is programming. Yeah, I do it as a hobby. Okay, so not that. Okay, I think I'm almost through this, and then I'm gonna break this entire project. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's do we fix this already? Let's see on volume music, volume. It's fine. No, we need to not do in 32. Oh, I'm such an idiot. God. Let's see if it did it. No, I just deleted the thing. There we go. We're so close. So close. Let's leave shape. Wait, no, we can't. Wait, yeah, we can. No, let's not do that. We'll leave the alpha in for now. Oops. It's bothering me. Oh. Oh god. This is so bad. Intersect. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. Did I just fix all of them? Oh, positions are already like that, but I think that is still good to do. So I think I have seen overflows on those. Ooh, I need two. Create sound source. almost at the promised land. Okay, we're there. All right, let's see how much we broke. Oh wait. Yeah, I'm gonna keep trying to get used to that. There we go. Doesn't even freaking compile. Hype. Bro. Hmm. Oh, I did it backwards. No, of N elements to type T. Ooh, yeah, that's the opposite. Multiple four N. Yeah. What do you mean, brother? Hmm? Oh, I am not on the right thing, buddy. Oh, there's only two more, of course. Oops. Can't wait for all the bugs. Oh, I must have been a little thing. The timer. It's pretty good. We compiled this time. I'm the best. Oh my god. Never mind. There's already a bug. Uh, hmm? Type error. What are we calling it? Title? What you mean? Hmm. You said 85 people viewed your rendering library? Nice. Hmm. How can you tell how many views it gets? Layer is equal to layer. Paper. Yeah, it should not even be. Yeah. I guess in this file, we should not be doing that. We should not have to be doing that at all. Right? Yeah. That should just be. Ooh, that's not. Yeah, and this file shouldn't have any faults to that because those should be handled right when they need to be used. And this is just a layer top. Can't wait for this 300 file PR. I'll approve it. Said go on the repository and click insight then traffic. Okay. I didn't realize I could see this stuff on somebody else's repo. So I never really looked. Yeah, I don't see traffic on here. Maybe that's only available to you. Let me see if it's on mine. Oh yeah, I see it. Cool. Yeah, yes, yeah, I see that. Okay. What are we doing? Fixing that. Save. Convert thing. But we're gonna remove that. Is that it? All right, let's see if that fixed it. That build and to oh, we don't want to do that. I guess we'll just keep getting there until we figure it out. Oh no, we need it there, buddy. Wish I could talk to my AI. Oh yeah, we're so close. Load font. Load font. 24. That's what it is. Okay. Load font. No, no, no. Why are you doing that? Oh. Okay, 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 okay. Oh my gosh. No errors. No errors. Alright, let's start breaking stuff. Settings, graphics. Supply. Ooh, I don't like that. That's not supposed to be a borderless window. Ooh. That's a bug. Alright, let's not set that at 4K, jeez. Okay. I need to also fix that so then it queries for available resolutions. Instead of... Okay, let's fix this window. Okay, so I gotta set the borderless window on and then off to get it to work properly. Okay, so that's a good sign. There's no errors yet. There's no other settings here aside from language. Okay. See if our other items render correctly. Tooltip is not. Record, tooltip manager. Okay. I got it, buddy. Oh, I got it. I don't got it. I'll figure it out. Display tooltip. Tooltip manager. Layer. Ordering. Alpha, maybe? Background color. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. You said what's my opinion on I am GUI? I like it. I use it actually. For this. I don't have, since I'm not doing any like scene stuff, I don't have it open, but maybe I fixed the engine enough to not be broken, but I can show you what I got. If it works. Normally I would be working in the editor, but since I'm doing a major, I don't say refactor, but major find and replace in the engine, can't use it right now. So this is my editor. Then I got my scene view, so it auto loads the last scene you open or last project you opened. Then I have like a recent projects tab or select, and we can open projects. So if I want to go in and select something from my file system, and then this is the actual game, so I can go and edit scenes. Let's have a scene system. You said you hate it. Yeah, it's I hear it seems like everybody's got a different opinion on it, and I like it. I don't like that. Inexact error. Int 32 infinite. Why is it infinite? Mouse position. Fix resolution. Fix resolution. That's not good. Needs. Sorry, disabled. Oh, I think it just ran an ad, which automatically. Um. Yeah. It's pretty. I'll say I haven't had much issue with it. It's pretty easy to use in Julia because it comes as a package. Um, so it's like a pack. It's just a package. So I don't have to do a lot of. In Julia, you don't have to do a lot of that stuff. So I focus on the code, and then the package itself handles all the cross-platform stuff. So I can run this on Linux. I can run it on PC. I can run it on my MacBook. Like just from source code very easily without any environment setup. Oh, well, not any environment setup. I just have to install the packages if I'm uh, switching environments that I haven't ran it on before. So, but once I have them installed, then it just runs. But yeah, it's much simpler in Julia land. I have to figure out why that is infinite. It's probably just not being set. Where? All right. Well, okay. I'm losing the plot right now. Let's focus on this right now. Fix that, and then go back. Background color. Background color. Why is it nothing? Okay, because it gets set there. Set tooltip style. Ah, I got it. So you pass the tooltip manager. I'm like looking scope because I didn't write it. Um. So okay. There alpha in here? I think there was. I can't remember. Actually, I could probably just control C it. Put it back. Okay. But what is it failing at? Error occurred, method error, initialize. Oh, okay. Oh, I put it at the wrong place. Then we do font size. And this is where we convert it. So everywhere else we can just type it and we'll convert it right at the end. I need to add or pull the font loading out into its own module as well because this is duplicated in the text box. Maybe that's why I thought I fixed it. Let's see. Load font HTML. That's precisely why I thought I fixed it. Yes, that's exactly why I need to refactor that. Okay, let's see. Nope, that's still broken. That's probably a separate issue. Yeah. The error occurred, method error, watercolor, boom. Yeah. Okay. What am I missing here? Okay, we got ID XY width height color background color border width fill mode true. Okay. Then we got border color border radius. Did I set it to in 32? That's the only thing I can think of. Let me see. Is there anywhere else I could have set it? And 32. Layer. Animation frames. That needs we can. That does not. Yes. Okay. Let us. Okay, let's run it. It's not. I shouldn't be fixed, but I'm just gonna run it just to be safe, and then I'm gonna ask my boy Claude. Is it opening twice? Why is it doing that? 6:44. Okay. I'm gonna be done in 15 minutes tops. Famous last words. And then we'll add. See what I'm missing is something small. Wait. Oh shoot. Do they go in? Do they? Are they? They're all. I think they're all ints. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. I don't. I don't look right. Okay. Oh, never mind. I apologize. I wasn't familiar with your game, Claude. Okay. Are we so back? Are we so back? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we're so back. Okay. Alright, this stream is killing my frames. Jesus. I gotta figure out what's going on there. Not right now, but... Okay. Oh, yeah. I can feel it chugging. Let's see how many files there end up being. 21. Okay. What did I have to change in here? Good manager. We're just gonna merge that. Or not. Where did it up from? These are gonna be some auto merges. The Julian is not. The CI is broken. I promise I'll fix it. Yeah. Gotta get those contributions up somehow. I can't, I don't think I can just, in my one project, I can't just directly merge like that. Okay. So, what are we doing now? I completely forgot, like, the actual game stuff I was supposed to do. Supposed to fix the build. Okay. Let's try it. Ooh, I forgot the editor. Oh, okay. We're not worrying about that right now. I'll run into the issue tomorrow. Fix it. Oh, I think this bumps it off my screen. Let me see. Does it? Oh no, it doesn't. Never mind. I don't know why it went away. It's a good session. Good sesh. Maybe I will just end. Ow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end now. Yeah, it was a good stream. Got a couple people in the stream, so more than usual. Couple more, couple more than usual. Um, yeah. So this has been Kajor, and hopefully next time I'll be able to show more of the actual game and less of the code. So